Only if lectures in foreign universities could win you elections in Patna. Only if Instagram reach could translate into votes. Only if occasional rallies could draw public's attention. And only if charges like vote chori resonated with the Gen Z. Since neither of that happened, the grand old party managed to maintain its lead on only 5 of the 61 seats that it contested. A party with pan-India presence competing with Asaduddin Owaisi and Jitan Ram Manjhi. While final result tally may add or subtract 1 or 2 seats, the fact remains that this is the Congress's worst performance in Bihar. That, however, doesn't present a complete picture. In its free fall, Congress has taken RJD along. The effect of samosa, aloo, lalu analogy that we all grew up hearing about seems to have faded. While aloo continues to be in samosas, Lalu's party is on a downturn. With trends now settling down, Saffron wave has swept Bihar with NDA maintaining lead on over 200 seats. BJP alone inching closer to breach 100-seat mark. Nitish Kumar and Chirag Paswan improving their performances. BJP is celebrating, reminding that this is 95th defeat of Congress under Rahul Gandhi. Compare this with Mahagathbandhan and you will realize why it's that time of the year again, when the principal opposition party would refuse to introspect, pick up issues that don't resonate with the Aam Aadmi and won't entertain any constructive criticism at all.
Our party leaders must do some very serious analysis of where things went wrong. Because, whenever an election happens, there's got to be some factors that are specific to that particular situation, as well as specific to our organization, the way our organization functions, that we need to understand and see what we can learn from.
Too many questions, all unanswered. What went wrong for the Mahagathbandhan? Amid the electoral bloodbath, where is Rahul Gandhi? Why, despite all its attempts, have the Congress and its allies failed to assess the ground situation? And most importantly, what is in danger? India's democracy or the future of these directionless political parties? Let's understand. Lalu Yadav took oath as Bihar's 25th Chief Minister on March 10, 1990. What unfolded in Bihar over the next 15 years was a story of misrule, corruption, crumbling law and order, exploitation, extortion and what not. This 15-year tenure of Lalu family is famously or infamously called Jungle Raj. It's been 2 decades since any member of Lalu Yadav's family ruled in Bihar. However, the ghost of Jungle Raj still seems to haunt Tejasvi and his political fortune. Even on the result day, social media was flooded with stories of how that era of Jungle Raj forced large-scale migration of people out of Bihar to seek a better life. To make matters worse, PM Modi in his election campaign didn't leave any stone unturned in reminding people of the dark era under Lalu Yadav.
जंगल राज का मतलब है कट्टा, क्रूरता, कटुता, कुसंस्कार, करप्शन. क्या कर रहे हैं लोग?
He talks about migration. He talks about employment. He talks about the Bihari pride. Yet no matter how hard Tejasvi tries, Bihar sings to the tune of "Theek hi to hai Nitish Kumar." Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi first held his detailed press conference on the so-called vote chori in August this year. He even launched a voter adhikar yatra and travelled across Bihar. But just when momentum seemed to be building in Mahagathbandhan's favour, Rahul went missing in action from Bihar. He returned only weeks before the polling. Imagine, to raise an issue as serious as casting doubts on India's election system, spending around 2 months over it and securing only 8% vote share in Bihar. Did Rahul Gandhi really go overboard in blaming Election Commission? Many political pundits, pollsters and opposition leaders claim that it was because of the 10,000 rupees that Nitish government transferred in accounts of women that swung the elections in its favor.
ये जो 10,000 रुपए का घूस देने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं ना, ले लो, पैसे ले लो, 10,000 रुपए ले लो, लेकिन अपना वोट मत दो बहनों।
However, this voter from Nalanda will tell you that this is only half the truth.
की लगा है जो 10,000 मिला उसका जादू चला है क्या?
नहीं, उसे ऐसा कोई बात नहीं है। ऐसे भी तो उन्हीं को हम लोग जिताते थे,
है ना?
इससे पहले कहाँ मिला था तो हम लोग जिताए ना। इस बार और है कि आप सब लोग महिला सब खुशी हो गए सब।
Viewers, there are plethora of such issues on which Mahagathbandhan's reading of ground reality fell terribly flat. There is a list of factors that can be assessed on what went wrong for Rahul Tejasvi duo. However, when these parties didn't change their strategy despite successive defeats, how will one more election loss matter? Bihar is just another feather in Rahul Gandhi's glorious political career.